Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Procter & Gamble, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in Procter & Gamble, start by setting your investment goals. Determine whether you're looking for long-term growth or short-term gains. Next, conduct market research on Procter & Gamble. Look at their recent financial performance and trends in the consumer goods sector. Review their quarterly earnings reports for insights on revenue and profitability. Explore the company's product portfolio and market share within its industry. Once you have sufficient information, choose a brokerage account. Select a platform that suits your investing style, whether it's a full-service or a discount broker. Create and fund your brokerage account to enable trading. Now, search for Procter & Gamble's stock symbol, which is PG. Check the current stock price and analyze the price history. Utilize financial tools available on your brokerage platform to perform further analysis. Decide how many shares you wish to purchase based on your budget. Consider setting a limit order to control the price you're willing to pay. Place your order and wait for it to be fulfilled. Monitor your investment regularly to keep track of Procter & Gamble's performance. Stay informed about news related to the company and the wider market. Finally, review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your goals. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to investing in Procter & Gamble effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.